Okay guys, so now we're going to be simplifying our radicals, and when you simplify, you're going to get, hold up, let me just explain something real quick. A prime number is a number that you can't multiply anything to get by. Like you can't times a number to get 3, basically. Let me Google the definition of prime number. Natural numbers that are divisible by 1 and only the number itself. And they're positive integers, like positive numbers. So some of the prime numbers are going to be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. No, you fucking lie. You fucking lie. That's what you did. Actually, 2, 5, 7. Can't you multiply something? Whatever. Lie. I know you're lying. I don't like liars. Okay, anyways. Okay, now you're really fucking lying. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, okay. So basically that they're only divisible by 1 and only 1. Like 2, you can't multiply anything to get by. Let me just write this down for you guys. Prime number. We got 2, 3, 5, 7. I fucked up. Because you can't multiply anything to get to 3. You can't multiply anything to get to 5. A reminder, they're like positive, like bro. Okay, anyways, let's go. So you're gonna break this up. What? Okay, so I know half of 100 is 50. What about that 8? Split that in half, that's 4. So that'd be 54 times 2. 4 times 2. Make the tree, guys. What can I do 54 by? Can I divide it by 12? Hold on. Let's see. 54 divided by 12. I can't. 54 divided by 9. But anyways, this is a prime number right here. So we're going to highlight that and come back to it later. Now we don't have to keep splitting this number apart, right? Anyways, so now we're going to do this. It's like 9 times 6 to get to 54. 54 times 2 to get to 100. Okay, boom. And etc. and etc. But 6 isn't a prime number, so I'm going to just work on that one right now. We can do 3 times 2 to get to 6. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. Hence where these numbers are coming from. And then to get to 9, you can do 3 times 3. And then boom, those ones are both prime numbers too. Okay, so now that you're going to go over here, you're going to write them all out. So 3 times 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, Robert, 2, 2. Oh my god. Okay, boom. So now we use our prime numbers, and that's what we're doing now. Now find the pairs. Do we have pairs? Oh, you're a twin. Oh my god, and you're a twin. Well, they're actually conjoined twins. So guess what? The doctor, guys, if you've been like following my YouTube channel for a long time, the doctors, these are conjoined twins right here, right? The ones I highlighted. And the doctor's like, they're gonna die. You need to save one, and you can only save one. The other one is gonna die though. So they're saving this one right here. They're putting it on the outside. They'll save this twin too. Anyways, so now we read it. So you're gonna put them on the outside. They're outside in the beautiful world. But then the twin, right? The twin was chilling. And I didn't know it was gonna die, but boom, you died. Boom, you died. So the twins are just like out of the equation now, you know, Ty. And all we have left is a 3 because we moved these ones outside. So anyways, then you do this. So then you do this, and then it's 6/3. Let's check our answers. Indeed, it was 6/3, guys. Okay, let's do this. So first off, I know that 8 goes into 16. So do we think we could do 60 divided by 8 per chance? 160 divided by 8. I can do that. Okay, so it said that if we can divide it by 8, but it's gonna give us 20. And now, like, think of it like this: you have to times 8 by 20 to get to 160. Anyways, none of these numbers are prime, but let's go. We can do 2 times 4 to get to 8. Boom, 1 prime number. 2 times, wait, what the fuck? 2 times 4, my fault, guys. 2 times 4, but that's also not prime, so we can do 2 times 2 to get to 4. Boom, we're done with our 8. Now what can we do with this one? I know 5 goes into 20, so we can do 5 times 4. I know 5 times 4 is 20. This is a prime number. Let's check our prime numbers list. Where did I prime? It's on there. But 4 is not a prime number, so we're gonna just do 2 times 2. We got our prime numbers. Okay, anyways, so now we're gonna take all of our prime numbers and put them in the hospital. 2 times 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2. 1, 2, 2, 2. Times 5. And now we use all of our numbers. Where are the twins, guys? The hospitals know that they know there's twins. Uh-oh. Y'all gotta save one. But they're saving that one. They're saving that one. And then, unfortunately, guys, hold on, let me just give it on me. Like, the twins are outside now, you know what I mean? Then the doctor, he told you, when you save one twin, the other twin's gonna die, and you have no other option. You have no other option. Goodbye to your twins. They're out of the equation now. And you have 2 times 5. And then you do the little mathy math. 2 times 2 is 4. And then 2 times 5 is 10. And then, bazinga, that's your answer. Well, they did that a lot easier, guys, low-key. They did that really easier than me. But hey, we all got the same answer. So it don't matter. It don't matter. Anyways, 648. Let me get to work. So, let's try 648 divided by 12. Oh, it does go into it. 12 times 54. Yes. Let's work on this 12 first. 6 times 2. Boom, our first prime number. 3 times 2 to get to 6. Right? Right, we're breaking it down, we're breaking it down, we're breaking it down. That's a 3, yeah, that's a 3. Now, how are we going to get to 54? Divided by 9? Yes. 9. 54 divided by 9 is 6, but think of it easier than this. Oh shit, that is not a prime number. 9 times 6 is 54, boom. So 3 times 2 gets to 6. Those are both prime numbers. 3 times 3 gets to 9. Okay, boom. Then we're gonna do our little, put them in the hospital bed. We got 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3. 3 times. Is that a 2, guys? Yeah, it's a 2. Anyways, we have our 4 3s crossed out. I want to watch Twilight. Anyways. Then we have 3 2s. So 1 2, 2 2, do 2. Okay. Oh my god, the hospital bed again. Oh my god, there's quadruple. Alright guys, you know the deal. They have no option. You guys have to save one. And the other one's gonna die. I save you. I save you. And I save you. Boom, rewrite it out. So 3 times 3 times 2. And oh no, the other twins died. They're out of the equation again. We just have a lonely 2 in here now. And then I'm going to put into my calculator. You're going to put into your calculator like this. Like this. You're going to do 3 times 3. 2. Because if you do it any other way, you're chop suey, my boy. You're chop suey. And that is equal to 18. Put it in the parentheses. Don't even do anything. Just put it in the parentheses. So anyways, turns out that's 18 over 2. Oh my fucking god. I don't damn well. I don't damn well. No fucking way. Well, wait, no, that was low-key a sign, guys, because I was low-key doing it wrong. I was looking at the equation from 28 and redoing it down here. You're fucking retarded, that's what you are. You're fucking retarded. What the fuck? Okay. I don't even know. But I know that this one was 4 over 10. Because of our family tree. And then this one was... No, I was doing this one. I was doing it right and everything. Wait, I remember because I literally had the thing open. But we'll do it together. 648 divided by 12. That is 54. 12 times 54 gets to 648. Boom. 6 times 2. That's a prime number. Gets to 12. 3 times 2. 3 times 2. Both prime numbers. Okay, we dealt with that. And we know that 54 goes into 9. Gotta get 9 times 6 gets to 54. None of these are prime. So we're going to do 3 times 3. We're working on the 9 right now, by the way. And then the 6, which is going to be 3 times 2. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, next up, hospital bed. Let's go. We have how many 2s? 3 2s. 1, 2, 3. That's a 2, by the way. And then bye. We have 5 3s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyways, so that was a number. Oh my gosh, twins. Yeah. Triplets. Okay guys, you guys are moving on the outside. We got a 1 2, 1 3, 2 3. Oh y'all, we rolling out. So then we got 3 times 3. I'm currently using my thumb to write this right now. That works so cute. Oh, and then guess what? Your other twin died. Your other twin died. Your twin died. And now we got 2 times 3. Did I do something wrong? Papa did something wrong. You know why Papa did something wrong? Papa did something wrong, guys. That was a 2 right there. I thought it was a fucking 3. Hold up. Okay. That's a 2. Redo it. We have 2 2s. Boom, boom. Because that was a 2. Then we have 4 3s. 1 3, 2 3, 4 3. I forgot to say 3 3. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's go. don't know. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2. What the fuck? What the fuck? Wait a damn minute. Hold on, guys. We're gonna redo this together. We're redoing this together. So we know that 648 can be 648 divided by 12 equal to 54 and 12. That's where I probably fucked up. I don't even remember. Now let's see what the 12 first. So 6 times 2 gets us to 12. We have our first prime number. Split up 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Those are both prime numbers. Let's go 54 divided by 9. Because I just looked at this. 9 times 6. So then boom, we're gonna split up 3 and 6 again. Wait. 2 and then 3 times 3. So now we all got prime numbers. Hospital bedtime. We have, sorry guys, I'm giving myself a headache. 2 times 2. See, there was 3 2s and I just missed it. We have 4 3s. So 1 3. Wait. 1 3. 2 3. 3 3. 4 3. 1 2 3 4. Boom. Hospital bedtime. Boom. 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 Oh shit. You're getting saved. You're getting saved. You're getting saved. Oh, well, guess what? You're dying. You're dying. And you're dying. I'm sorry to your conjoined twin. But you'll have a better chance outside. So, you're going to get 3 times 3. Yes, I remember now because I was telling you to put it in your calculator like this. And then that equaled 18. So before I even go, like, I'm done doing stuff on this. Oh, let me finish. You guys just out of this equation now. Dumbass, that's why there's no 2 right there. I'm so sorry, guys. Let's look back at my steps. You see? I forgot. You guys are going outside, remember? You guys are getting saved. You're getting saved. You're getting saved. Now, remember the conjoined twin already died. The conjoined twin is dead. Now you're out of the equation. You're out of the equation. You're out of the equation because now your mommy's like, your daddy. And your mommy just like gave you guys both up and you're like, I don't want you in my life anymore. Because you fucked it all up. Like, why did you have to be a conjoined twin? So I don't want you in my life, you know? They're just out of the equation. They're out of the picture. Anyways, that equals 18 over 2. Oh, guess what? That's the right answer. Let's go to this one. So 72, let's go 729 divided by 11. Nope. 729 divided by 12. Nope. 729 divided by 7. Nope. 729 divided by 8. No, we're in there. 729 divided by 4. 729 divided by 3. Okay, we finally got one. We got 3 and 2 for 3. Now let's maybe like divide that by 6 per chance, and we already got our first prime number. No, what did this? 2 for 3 divided by 7. Can I not do 7? What the fuck is that? 2 for 3 divided by 9. Oh my god, I can do 9. Okay. 9 and a 27. Which this is going to be 3 times 3. So now there's no more 9. We got the prime number down. And then 27 divided by 8. Oh no, hold on. It was 27 divided by 9, which is 3. Because I memorized my like multiplication chart one time. And 3 times 3 is 9. So, oh my god, we got a lot of 3s. Boom, hospital table ASAP. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 3s. So 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. How many 3s is that? That's 6. Okay. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. That's not good, guys. You're going outside? You're going outside? You're going outside? Now remember, your daddy was just like, he was so heartbroken that he had to kill your other twin. He just had to give you guys up for adoption. So, like, there's just nothing in the picture anymore. He just couldn't do with that. There's really nothing to put right there. Like right here, you know what I mean? But 3 times 3 times 3, you're going to put it into your calculator. Oh my god. You put it into your calculator like this. 3 times 3, which that equals 27. There's a little good girl. And you can't just do like 27 outside. So what you're literally going to write is just 27. Boom. Boom. Simplifying radicals who? Yeah.